very good news for Pakistanis. 3 days before, a ship carrying fertilizer meant for Afghanistan anchored with the deep water seaport of Pakistan, Gwadar. The shipment will be transported by China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, and western route will be utilized. Pakistan will collect toll tax out of this transportation. We hope that next step will be the Central Asian countries. They will join Afghanistan and they will utilize Gwadar seaport for their transportation of different consignments. This is first drop of rain. Very good news for Pakistanis. Thank you, China, helping Pakistan for the development. Take care. Sikandar Ali Bukhari from Talk of the Day.